Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The world of online search and advertising has always been dominated by one giant, Google. But a recent ruling by a U.S. federal judge suggests that this might not be the case for much longer. As we dive into the details of this story, let's start with what happened in the Google search monopoly case. The company lost the battle to break up its dominance in the online search market, and now it faces the possibility of forced divestiture, essentially being forced to sell off part of its business. But that's not all. In another case, a U.S. federal judge has ruled that Google abused its power by forcing publishers to use its ad server, which is essentially a platform where advertisers can buy ads. This ruling could have significant implications for the advertising industry as a whole. And it gets even more interesting when we consider what this means for Android, Google's mobile operating system. But what's driving this shift? The rise of AI-powered competitors like Microsoft and Amazon are finally starting to take notice of Google's dominance. These new players are poised to disrupt the tech ecosystem in a big way, and now Google is going to have to compete with them. As we consider the implications of these changes, it's clear that the future of online search and advertising will be very different from what it is today. The Google Trends Hub has been tracking this story closely, and will continue to bring you updates as more information becomes available. For now, let's take a closer look at what this means for publishers, advertisers, and consumers like you. How will the forced divestiture of Chrome affect your online experience? And what does this ruling mean for the future of online advertising? As we explore these questions, it's worth noting that Google has a long history of trying to maintain its dominance in the tech industry. But now, it seems like the writing is on the wall. Google needs to adapt and compete with new players if it wants to stay relevant. The world of online search and advertising is changing fast, and the Google Trends Hub will be right there with you to track every step of the way. So, stay tuned for more updates as this story continues to unfold.